So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Sterlite Technology share. So we know that about this particular stock we have discussed previously in best stocks to buy now, which may give some multi-bagger returns. So in that particular video series we have discussed about Sterlite Tech and other two companies. So if you have not watched that particular video, do watch it because all the three stocks are very good stocks and they have given very good returns in short span of time. So coming to Sterlite Technologies, so we know that there is an update regarding this particular stock. So what are those particular updates, and then we'll switch over to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So we know that in a separate channel called Stocks Diary Education, we are also discussing some quality videos related to options as well as swing trades and everything. So if you have not subscribed the channel, so do subscribe to that particular channel as well. So definitely you will be benefited with some knowledge in stock market. Okay, so coming to the update on Sterlite Technologies, so we know that recently an update has come, that is 14th April, that is today only an update has come regarding the OpenReach selects STL as a strategic partner to help build its new UK full fiber network. So we already know that Sterlite Technologies is involved in digital networks, basically optical fiber networks. So in that field only we also have OpenReach. So that is also a very good company which is present in UK, and it has decided to have a partnership with Sterlite Technologies, and the time period for that particular partnership is 3 years. So that maximum trying to work for this long optical fibers which are spread across wide range of kilometers. So definitely it is a big project and it will be held for certain period of time. So the time is almost 3 years. So already OpenReach is a well established company, and it is also a leading company in UK which is involved in digital networks, and it serves more than so many millions of customers. So that is the major benefit for Sterlite. So previously also I told that this particular stock has very bright future in terms of optical fiber, which may play a very crucial role in coming years. And also related to 5G technology, also it is playing a very crucial role. Even Jio also, when it has approached Sterlite Tech previously, so from that time only the stock has also started going very well. So what would be the next targets and all? So now let's try to discuss that. Before that, let's see how deliveries have been taken on a regular basis. Okay, so if we see day to day wise deliveries, so we can see on April 7th, April 8th and April 9th, we know that stock has given continuous momentum. So that is on April 12th only, the stock has corrected almost 7.7 when due to certain factors all the global markets were down. But again yesterday it has retraced almost 0.6%, and you can see 58.9% deliveries have been taken. Okay, so clearly we know that the stock has been moving around the levels that we have discussed previously also. So what would be the next support and all? So that also we'll discuss, but try to understand that all the corrections that are happening in market are temporary. Again they'll start retracing, again they'll take the support, but you need to have a vision of holding any stock for long term, which may give some multi-bagger returns. So now let's switch out to the technical charts. Okay, so let us start our discussion on 1 week chart time frame. So clearly you can see these are the two supports that I have discussed in my previous videos. That is the series what I was talking about, best stocks to buy now. So in that particular video, when you have done the technical analysis, so at that point of time we have discussed all these levels, and immediately in the Telegram also I have updated when it has given breakout from this particular level, that is 208 rupees region. So now clearly you can see the previous week we know that little downfall was there, not previous week, so this particular week itself, so little downfall was there in the stock market, and you can see clearly it has taken the resistance near the 229 rupees level. So from that particular level the stock has retraced, and you can see immediate next support is near 208. So this particular 208 level is going to be very crucial. So if you get a chance to invest at that particular level, so don't miss the opportunity. So definitely you can go for investing in this particular stock, whether it may be in small amounts or heavy quantities, it's up to you, but you need to hold this stock for long term. Short term trading is completely avoided because it is highly potential stock and it is showing some very good momentum in coming years also. Okay, so if you come a little bit down and if you see the moving averages, so basically we employ two moving averages. So one is 50-day exponential moving average and another one is 200-day exponential moving average. Can you see both the moving averages are approaching closer? Yes. So this is called a bullish crossover. So whenever any small moving average, that is green color one, crosses a red color line moving average, so that is called a bullish crossover. So it is approaching closer. So at any point of time, so this bullish momentum may occur. So if market corrects little bit, try to grab this particular stock, invest as much as you can near the levels that we have discussed, especially near the 208 rupees level. So for targets of almost 250 plus in midterm and long term, definitely it will give some multi-bagger returns. So money flow index also has corrected from the overbought region and it has now come near 67 region. So that is also very good, not completely in overbought and also not exactly in mid range. So if tomorrow it corrects, take the opportunity and start investing. Okay, so that was in 1 week chart. In 1 day chart, you can see how it has taken the resistance near the pivot point of 239 and how again it is taking the support near the 217 region. So best buy would be near 208 and 215. So between these two regions, you can enter at any point of time. Between 208 and 215, you can enter at any point of time. So enter with a very good decent quantity in a view of holding for long term only. So many people have invested at 180 also when we have discussed in that particular video. So definitely don't sell your holding. So hold for a certain period of time. You will get some very good quality returns. Okay. So these are all the levels and you can see in daily chart money flow index is near 61. So that is also a very good indication. So in the coming days it may also retrace and point upwards. So resistances, we know 240 would be the next resistance. So if it crosses 250 plus can be achieved. So invest at the levels. So make sure if you're having any further doubts, do ask me in the comment section and also in the Instagram. And also if you have not subscribed the other channel where you are discussing all the videos related to stock market education, so do subscribe the channel as well. So until then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.